Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. It's Friday. Is it Good Friday? Isn't it? Or was that last week? Yes, it's Good Friday. And yeah, Dylan doesn't work on Fridays, so he's in the shower right now. I'm gonna make some breakfast, get a workout in, and then we're gonna tackle the office. I got like a little bit done yesterday. I hung up like some jackets, and that's pretty much all I did. So gonna work on the office today. I think Dylan's getting a haircut. His friend's coming over. We're going to my parents' house for dinner tonight, having spaghetti meatballs, a riveting game of Mall Madness. Yeah, it's gonna be a good Friday because it's Good Friday. Happy Friday. I hope you guys are enjoying the daily vlogs. New here, I'm Mariah. I guess I should have said in the beginning, but please like and subscribe down below for more content. And what I was trying to say is that I'm doing daily vlogs. It's workout time, and I think I'm gonna go through the workout videos I've seen on TikTok and just do some of those. So this is an arm one, and I'll probably find like an ab one and a leg one. I'm gonna put, the other day I found music on here. Music. But I don't remember where I found it. Oh, I think it was one of these, maybe? Yes. Was it this? Block Party? So I'm gonna work out, and then we're gonna start working on the office. Okay guys, my legs feel like jello, but it's time to go into the office. Yeah, this is the current situation. Oh, did you bring your drawers upstairs?
Just one, yeah, mine.
I put mine in here yesterday and hung up these and did that. That's it. We have some shoes here. I need to unpack all my shoes that are in there. So let's do a time lapse. Okay, you couldn't actually see, but my battery's dying. I just undid one suitcase of shoes. Now the next. Wow, look at the progress already. So Dylan put all his shoes there. And I put mine here, and then like my winter ones are in there. But I organized it by color, and so I have heels, sandals, sneakers, and like this is what I'm probably gonna wear right now. Then maybe I'll switch like the sandals and the sneakers once it gets to summer. He thinks I have too many. Okay guys, I put jeans on today just to like feel different. I'm probably, I don't know if I was gonna do my hair, but like it's soaking wet, so I don't really know. I have these on because I'm gonna go do some editing. I like don't really like the look of me having them on anymore, but I need them so I don't get a headache. So I'm gonna keep them on. Just have a little tank top on. I'm probably gonna get cold, so I'm gonna probably go get like a cardigan or something. And I'm gonna go edit some vlogs. Dylan and I, it's a little bit later now, Dylan and I just filmed a TikTok and I forgot to film it. But I'm looking for other ways to do. Actually, I want to learn this one. Where is it? Oh, this one's funny.
Can't eat this, but how exciting is it to...
I think I'm gonna learn one. Hi guys, so we haven't really been doing much. I changed into sweatpants, or leggings and a sweatshirt. Dylan got his hair cut, and that's it. I'm really bored, and I think We're going to my house, or my parents' house, at 5:30 for dinner. And it's, I don't even know what time it is. 4:10 right now. So we have like an hour and 20 minutes. I don't know what we should do. Probably gonna just watch Dexter. Could record this week's episode of the podcast because we were gonna do that Sunday. But Dylan has to work. But I don't know if we really want to do that right now. I know tomorrow we could maybe do it. Or we could do it on Monday. Oh no, we can't do it on Monday because Dylan has to work. I don't know. I'm really just vlogging because I'm bored. But I posted another TikTok. Maybe I'll make some more right now. Oh, there was one that I wanted to do with Dylan, but I can't remember what it was. I don't know. I'm gonna have to go back on TikTok and find it. So I just realized I forgot my phone, my camera, and my phone. I forgot my camera. We're on my way. I cannot speak. We're on our way to spaghetti and meatballs and Mama Madness night, which is like fine social distancing because we're already quarantined with that, so it's okay, right? Am I gonna do it? And I brought cookies.
I got a haircut.
Yeah, Dylan got a haircut.
At my house. I didn't go here.
Got the setup. Just waiting on Dad. I'm ready to win. Oh, you guys want your money?
It'd be nice. That's like the government saying, "Hey guys, you want your money?" Like, ah, nope, sorry, you can't have it yet.
We just got back from my parents' house and I did not win Mom Madness. My mom won, but we just got back and we're probably just gonna chill. It's almost 8 o'clock. It's like 7:45. Probably gonna go take my makeup off and chill, watch YouTube videos. And Dylan will probably play video games, I assume. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I'm gonna be doing a weekend vlog in the next vlog tomorrow. So look out for that. And yeah, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. I posted 2 new TikToks today. So go follow me over there and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.